TCS is a dream company for a lot of students, and I have Sharanya with me who has cracked TCS. So Sharanya, I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you.
So please tell the viewers, how was TCS paper pattern and how did you clear it?
Sure, ma'am. So starting from last year, TCS is conducting a national level test which is called as National Qualifier Test. So there are two levels in this, Ninja level and the digital level, which is for higher package. So I could crack the Ninja level. But the exam, like question paper, it remains same for both the levels. But based on our performance, we will either clear Ninja or the digital level. So we had to first, we received a mail from our college placement department. So we had to register in the TCS website. After which we received a hall ticket. Then we had to go to the nearest TCS digital centers. In Bangalore it is in Bondel. So we had to go there for the exam. So the exam was of 90 minutes. And there were 4 sections. First one was the verbal section, which was in the form of a paragraph with blanks in between. And we had to select the answers from the drop-down list. And most of the questions in this section were from articles, prepositions, tenses. So it was like normally how we speak, those kind of. And the next section was aptitude. Again, there were 2 parts in that. One was the normal aptitude, general aptitude, and the next one was bit advanced. So, and the total duration was for 40 minutes.
The whole test was 40 minutes or only this section?
Only the quantitative aptitude was for 40 minutes.
Okay.
And there were negative marking for this aptitude questions.
So how much was the negative marking?
So actually negative marking depended on the priority of that question. Like certain questions were star marked. So those would carry more negative marks compared to the others. Generally negative marking was of 0.33.
Alright. So students, actually when there's a negative marking, usually there's a quarter negative marking, or like you said, for 0.33. So if you're almost sure between 2 questions, you could actually give it a shot, because the marks that you're going to lose is not too much, okay? But if the negative marking is more, then please stick on to whatever you know. But many a times it's only a quarter mark. So that time if you're there's a choice between 2 and you feel that somewhat that this could be the answer, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So most of the questions in this section were from percentage, profit loss, probability, and logical reasoning included questions like finding the age difference between father and son, or like questions related to blood relationship and such sort of questions. And the third section was technical questions, which included some questions like multiple choice, and others were fill up the blanks again. And this part included all the basics that we have learned in our first year, like C, C++, number of data types, or say number of keywords, and questions like why we are using pointers. So all basic questions were covered in this section. And the final section was programming, and it was for 20 minutes. So we had to write a code for one program, and I got a question related to number series. So there were 2 number series clubbed together, odd and even. So I had to take an input n from the user to generate that many terms of that number series.
Alright. So in all, how long was the question apti?
Apti 90 minutes to get.
Total 90 minutes. And you felt the time was enough for you or
for quantitative aptitude it was not enough, but for verbal and all it was sufficient.
Alright. And there was a sectional cutoff for everything?
No, there was no sectional cutoff.
So if you're good in one area, you could still score.
You could still.
Alright, great. But this was interesting that they had a programming round, because they're open to all branches. So if you're a mechanical, civil, or any other branch, non-IT, you have to be thorough with your first year.
Yes, we have
First year computer subjects, because they're going to ask you that during the
basics like if-else statements, for loops. So we should be thorough with that.
So even a mechanical student should be knowing that, civil student should be knowing that. And you are from EC, right?
EC.
Alright. And then after that you had your next round was the interview, right?
Yes, it was. We had around 10 to 15 days to prepare for the next round.
Alright. And how was your interview?
It went on very well. All the interviewers were very friendly.
Alright.
So I was not at all feeling nervous that time. So yes.
You were telling me that there was a panel interview, right, for you?
Yes. Yeah. So some of the students had a one-on-one interview with technical and HR round. I had panel interview.
So was it scary when you see so many people?
No, actually when I just approached them, there was only one person.
Alright.
But later on they started joining.
Alright, so it was not as scary.
No, it was not as scary.
Yeah.
So initially, so everything depends on the resume, okay. So what we write in our resume, we should be thoroughly prepared with all that. And they pick up the project. They can pick up any of the projects, so you should be ready with all the projects. And when they pick up that project, they ask all the details. For example, the circuit diagram and the pin description, why we are using all those components. So they will ask in detail, so we should be prepared for all that. And later on, they ask certain questions from C, like the basic types, which is your favorite language, why, and can you rate yourself, such questions. And later on, they ended there, the technical round ended, and they switched to HR questions, like tell me about yourself. Here, most of us, like, we start saying I'm so and so, I'm from this place and all, but they asked me this tricky question, like they asked me, tell me something about yourself, but which is not there in the resume. So I started speaking about my hobbies. So, and I started mentioning about the books that I read and about what I do in my spare time, like cooking. I mentioned all that, and after which they ask you about the company. What do you know? How well do you know about the company? So they asked me, why do you want to join TCS? And what do you know about the company? And in between, some other person may ask, how long has it been that, how long is the company? Like, how many years old? So they just asked random questions, but it was not at all.
So you had done your homework well. You had gone through
I was preparing very well.
All right. So good. And so you said the whole interview was for more or less 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So actually, what if the time is less, sometimes it's a little challenging also, because you have to project everything in that 15 minutes. If the interview, but usually for a service companies, the interviews is roughly around 15 minutes to 20, or sometimes max up to half an hour. So 15 minutes you should be able to deliver everything. Yeah. All right.
I think since it was a panel interview, it went on for 15 minutes. I don't think for technical round they took for
long,
minutes,
because I think they must have actually screened people because of the apti itself. The technical part was basic screening would have been done there itself. All right. So anything, how did you prepare in your message for the juniors, as to how to prepare?
Yes. So first thing is appear confident in the interview.
All right.
Yes. And start speaking in front of the mirror, so that gives you a lot of confidence. And record your own voice and start listening to that, so that you can make out the points where you make certain mistakes and you can correct them.
All right.
And I use it to download the previous year question papers for any of the companies that I attend, and I used to see the pattern, and I used to work on that, so we can expect the repeated questions.
All right. So for you, did it help?
Yes, it did.
All right.
It did.
Okay. So thank you, Sharanya, very much, and wishing you all the very best. So it's bye from us till we see again.